In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the 13 best pectus excavatum transformations from Pectus Warriors following my programs in 2024. And what I want you guys to do is watch the whole video, watch everyone's transformations, hear what they have to say, and then vote for who you think has the best pectus excavatum transformation. Your votes will determine the winner, who will win their year of coaching for free. Let's get right into it. In no particular order, let's play the transformations.
Hey, this is Emerson. I started this program last August. Before I started the program, I was always getting comments on like, oh, why do you have that hole in your chest, all that. And I remember being super insecure. I wouldn't even take my shirt off to go to the pool. I would just, sit down and lay face down. It was always like I would wear baggy shirts, stuff like that. I Googled surgery options and went to doctors and they said, it's probably not severe enough for surgery. It's not like it's impairing your heart or anything. And then I found Riley and I started the program, and within probably 3 months, I started noticing results and started getting comments on like, oh, you have like a good physique, instead of comments like, oh, you have a big hole in your chest. Why is that? And it's just a huge confidence builder for me. It's really changed my life in a positive way. Thanks, Riley. Highly recommend. He's always responding on the app.
I signed up with Pectus PT in 2023 because I was tired of not feeling confident in my body. I was tired of going away on holiday with my friends and being paranoid about taking my top off. So I've actually completed my year with Riley now. And all I can say for anyone who is interested in joining this program is if you put the work in, you will not be disappointed. The workouts, the nutrition advice, the constant access to Riley, they really help give you a proper plan in order to build strength and master your pectus excavatum in ways that I did not think was possible. I've tried working out before and had very limited results, but that's because I didn't know what I was doing. And even at the age of 41 years old now, I managed to get results that I'm so proud of, and I can feel my confidence growing daily. So thank you so much, Riley, for an amazing program. And I wish anyone else joining it the very best of luck. If you stick to it, I promise it does work.
I signed up for Riley's program in January of 2023. And at first I was just terrified at the gym. Like I just felt super intimidated when I walked in. I persistent and I kept going. And I weighed like 120 when I started, like 120 pounds. Now we come to the present now, December. And I've completely transformed my body from, when I first started 2 years ago. Like I'm weighing 146. I've gone up on how much weight I got way stronger on all the exercises. If you're considering joining Riley's program, I highly recommend it. I really like the flow of it. It's helped me a lot. And yeah, I've completely transformed.
I was with Riley Byrne for 1 year and I had amazing results. His program was great. I found before his program I was really self-conscious about my chest. I didn't really know where to go in the gym. I was training irregularly without a program, and signing up with Riley Byrne essentially completely changed how I look, how I feel about myself, and like how I train in the gym. It was great. I loved the program. I've become so much more confident in myself, and I'm really thankful for what Riley Byrne has been able to do for me. And I can't recommend this program enough because, like I said, it's completely changed how I see myself and how I look.
Hey guys, I'm Sam. I joined Riley's program in September 2023. I'd go to the beach and I'd cover myself up, or I'd sit at home and even put like a pillow or something on my chest to try and hide it because I was so self-conscious about my pectus. But since joining Riley's program, my confidence has gone through the roof. I feel a lot more stronger in the gym. I feel a lot fitter. I went from struggling to run 2K on a treadmill to now running 5K weekly, and just generally just feeling healthier. And just having Riley there as a coach and having that personalized program for me and to suit my lifestyle has just been perfect for me. And even though we live on the other side of the world, having Riley there to speak to, he's very responsive. We speak pretty much every day for advice or help. My posture has changed completely. I've gone from not having rounded shoulders and been able to walk around with my shoulders in a normal position, with my chest out, and just not having to force myself to be in that posture through his daily stretching routine. And I'm looking forward to just keep going and just seeing my results at the end of the year, and just stay being healthy, stay being fit, stay being happy, and having confidence in myself.
My name is Manny. I'm 20 years old. I was 19 when I first signed up for Pectus PT, and I ended up loving every moment of the experience. It's really organized down to the core. Riley grew up just like us, pretty insecure growing up, hesitant to take your top off. But yeah, man, as you can see, I gained a noticeable amount of lean muscle. I'm definitely proud of my results. I can't thank Riley enough. It's been a blessing, man. To me, it's life-changing. Can't say anything else other than thanks, Riley. You're the man, dude.
Hi everyone, I'm Francesco Cancelli and I'm from Italy and I'm 26 years old. Finding the right mentor not just changed my body, but changed my entire life. For years I truly searched for someone who truly understood pectus excavatum, not just as a trainer, but as someone who had lived through it themselves. And when I discovered Riley, I felt like the entire universe finally aligned. Seeing his own journey with pectus excavatum wasn't just inspiring, it was proof that transformation was possible. And who better to guide me than someone who had walked this path before? The results have been extraordinary. Not only my chest has developed a better shape, I've achieved the best physical form in my entire life. This journey has fundamentally changed how I live my life and basically how I see myself. It's not just about physical improvement, it's about discovering what I'm truly capable of achieving. This year has been more than just a fitness journey. It's been a complete transformation of my body, my mind, and my spirit. So I strongly recommend you to join this program and to let Riley unlock your true potential and to become the better version of yourself.
Hey there, my name's Marcus. I'm 16 and started the program about a year ago. When I started, I was about 140 pounds at 6 feet. I didn't have a lot of muscle, especially around my chest with my pectus. That's changed over the course of the year, as I'm now 170 pounds and have a lot more muscle. Through the coaching on diet and exercise, I've made a lot of progress. I now feel a lot more confident in my body and can go places without my shirt on. I'm very grateful for the progress I've made and I'm looking forward towards the future.
Hey, I'm Harry. 12 months ago I decided to join Riley's program. It's turned out to be one of the best decisions in my life. I think just alongside all the amazing routines and stuff that you get taught, one of the biggest things for me was just the discipline and consistency and kind of how important that is. And that's just carried through into my life now. I feel like I've got a better routine. I feel healthier day to day. And that, I think, goes beyond pectus. I think pectus was probably one of the reasons why I started this, but it's definitely not the reason why I'm continuing to do it. Yeah, I think if anyone's kind of like thinking about joining and they're unsure, then I definitely advise you to give it a go. I think the value you'll get in everyday life is amazing. So yeah, cheers Riley.
Hi, my name is Steven. I live in Austin, Texas, and I am just finishing my 6th month in my first year in Riley's pectus training program. This program has been such a huge boost of self-confidence for me in ways I could have never even imagined. I cannot believe what I see when I look in the mirror sometimes, and I'm only halfway through, so I am very excited about what the next 6 months are going to bring. The program is very well thought out, it's easy to follow, the app is full of useful information that's easy to understand, and Riley is always available to answer questions about individual exercises or about the process in general. The whole process in general has been really healing for me. Healing in terms of the self-consciousness and even the kind of shame that we experience with pectus from the time that we're very, very young, feeling like we have to hide our bodies. And if you have somebody like Riley there to guide you through the process, It can be a really amazing journey, and I'm happy to be on it. Thanks.
What's up, guys? This is Gaetano from San Diego, California. I've been in Riley's Pectus PT program for about a year and 4 months now, and it's still one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. The program has allowed me to regain confidence in my physique. I feel a lot healthier and stronger. I would recommend the program for anyone who has pectus excavatum and is struggling with how they feel with their appearance. The program is awesome, and I thank Riley for it.
Hi everyone, so I joined this program in August of this year, so it's been like 4 months I'm in this program, and I feel like in 4 months my pectus excavatum is less noticeable than before. I feel like I develop like a body that I'm more confident to. I feel like this program is not just about like the body transformation, it's also inner transformation in a way where you just like feel more confident because you have this like daily routine of exercising and everything. So yeah, I think it's a really good program, and if you have a pectus excavatum, I really recommend to join this program.
Hey guys, my name is Draven. I'm 24 years old. I've been on the program for almost a year now. I joined up for the 2024 Pectus Transformation Challenge, and I am very happy with the results. My self-confidence has gone up tremendously. I'm more comfortable in my body, more comfortable being shirtless or having my arms out, and it's all thanks to Riley in this program. It taught me a new lifestyle of always striving to improve my pectus, and I will always be thankful for that. So thank you again, Riley. It means the world to me that you created this program, and I'm sure it means the world to my fellow Pectus warriors. And for those of you who are on the fence about joining this program, please do yourself a favor and just join. Trust me, you won't regret it. As long as you stay consistent, stay committed to the nutrition plan or the workout plan, you won't regret it, I promise you.
I'm so proud of all of my clients in 2024. These transformations are incredible. It makes me so happy, like listening to their testimonials, looking at how far they've come. You know, changing pectus for me was so life-changing, and hopefully it's been a life-changing thing for them. And yeah, I'm so proud of them, and I'd love to help you as well. Hopefully this has inspired you to undertake your transformation. The 2025 challenge is now live and spots are open. I am limited to the amount of clients I can personally coach on a VIP level. So if you are interested, then I would recommend being quick because my spots are limited. Go to my website, fixpectus.com, to join now. First step will be booking a call with me so I can meet you, determine the right program and plan and strategy, because I do fit the program. Like, the reason these clients got such a good result is the program isn't just some program that everyone gets. It's individualized to the client and their pectus and their circumstances. So hence why the call is so important. And it's also important we have a relationship and I know you. So book that call, I'll meet you there. The call is normally $49, but for a promotion for the 2025 challenge, it's reduced to $25, and that cost is credited towards my coaching programs, which are from $200. And the challenge has a massive discount on my pricing as well. So it's a really perfect time to sign up. Remember, all of these Pectus Warriors transformations started just like how you are right now, watching a video from me, and then they decided to pull the trigger, they decided to sign up. And as you can see, none of them regretted it. So pull the trigger, take action, sign up now. I look forward to meeting you soon. And also guys, don't forget to vote. It's very important you vote for who had the best transformation.